All right, what y'all are looking at right now is black excellence at its finest. I'm talking satin black. I'm talking shadow black. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on those previews. The befores make a big difference because you see the afters. It look good right now, but the befores will make you a believer. Stay tuned, people. Hey, what's going on, everyone out there in YouTube world? I'm Devon. I got another project for you. We got the Cadillac Escalade back here. Yeah, I know you see that, and we see it too. Evidently, the customer don't like it. They don't like that. They don't like that, man. But we about to change it up for them. This customer here wanted to go with satin black. Satin black. So we're gonna do the body, and we're gonna do the wheels. We're gonna color match it, man, make it look a whole lot better. And we're gonna make this customer very happy. Now we're about to clean it up. We're gonna prep it, then we're gonna get started. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. All right. We got everything masked off. Spraying from a Turbine today. And we going with black satin. Stay tuned. It's over, y'all. We finally got everything done, cleaned up. We got it together, man. We got that black satin wheels, black satin body wheels. Yeah, you see it. Presidential suite. Hey, check us out. We're gonna take you on a little tour real quick. We're gonna get it outside, and then we're gonna show you exactly what everything looked like as a whole. All right, YouTube, it's ready. We got it outside, and oh, it's looking mean. That's a mean look. Check us out. We're gonna give you a quick rundown of what we did. Check us out, man. We did the full body with the satin black. We went all the way around, and we did the wheels to match. Got the wheels to match. You know, something simple, man. Something classy. Shadow black. All right, check us out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We got plenty of videos to look at. Also, if it's not prepped right, chances are it ain't gonna look right. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the future. Ow!
Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.